Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made these vegan smash burger tacos. They were super fire. I have been jerking everything lately with this jerk seasoning, so these are going to be jerk flavored, and again, they are too bomb. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. So to go ahead and get started, we are going to make a jerk sour cream sauce. So we're going to go ahead and use a vegan sour cream. I'm going to go ahead and season this with some black pepper, some of this Walkerswood Jerk Seasoning, which is the bomb. Like, this seasoning is so bomb. I don't even know what to do. I have been jerking everything. Like, I might jerk your mama. Like, it is so good. So I went ahead and put about a teaspoon of that in there. And then I went ahead and put in a splash of almond milk as well, just to give it a thinner consistency. I just want to be able to like spread the sauce on there, like top it off like a nice little cream sauce on top. So just go ahead and whip all of that together until your desired consistency is reached. And then once that is well combined, I just went ahead and pop that in the fridge while we prepare our smash burgers. So for the burgers, I am using this Impossible Ground. I thawed this in the fridge overnight. Went ahead and got this in a bowl, and then we're going to go ahead and season this up. To season the ground meat here, I am using some sea salt and some black pepper. Also use some Sazonador Total seasoning as well. And then of course we got to hit it with that jerk seasoning. Like, y'all need this jerk seasoning. Like, this is not sponsored content. It's the bomb. It's fire. It's desire. So I use about 2 teaspoons of that. Get that in there. I didn't have any gloves today, so don't judge me, y'all. I am using a sandwich bag, but I just feel like you just need to mix this by hand. So I went ahead and got my hands in there with that sandwich bag. Okay, make it do what it do, and mix that together until it is well combined. And once you can see the seasoning throughout, you know it's well seasoned and we are good. I'm using carb watch tortillas today, just trying to watch my little carbs at this time. So I just went ahead and got those on a parchment sheet. And then I went ahead and divided this burger mix evenly between the 4 tortillas. So we're just going to go ahead and divide that up and smash it on the tortillas just right on top. Okay, so once you have all of those smashed out evenly on your tortillas, just go ahead and heat up a skillet and with a little bit of oil, and I sauteed up some onions. I just feel like, what is a burger without some sauteed onions? Like, it's not a burger, it's a sandwich. I don't know. You gotta have your sauteed onions, so I'm sauteing up my onions. Once they soften up a little bit, I just went ahead and pressed that tortilla with the burger side down right on top, and then just make sure the onions are well incorporated into that burger, and just go ahead and cook it through until it looks like it is well done on that bottom side and it's starting to cook through on the other side as well. And so once that looks like it's starting to get well done, just go ahead and flip that over. And then I'm using this BioLife cheese today, or whatever kind of vegan cheese you prefer. Just go ahead and put a slice on top. And then to help the cheese melt down, I put a little bit of water in the skillet and cover it up with a lid just to get that steam going, melt the cheese down, and help that steam cook the other side of the burger as well, that is on the tortilla side. Once that's all cooked through, just go ahead and remove it from the heat. That's all she wrote. Prepare all of your tortillas this way, and then we will go ahead and load these up. This is super easy. Most of my recipes, again, are super easy. Not too much effort, but maximum flavor. So just go ahead and cook these down, and we'll go ahead and finish these off. Okay, so to go ahead and top my smash burgers off, I am using some sweet relish. The sweet relish is key. Like, it just gives it that sweet, savory flavor. Or maybe you can use like a pineapple salsa, a mango salsa, or some other kind of like fruity, sweet, and savory salsa or something like that. I think will be great. Then I use some more raw onion on top, and some diced tomato as well, some shredded lettuce, and then we're gonna hit it with that sour cream jerk that we made at the beginning. And that's all she wrote. These were so fire. They were too bomb. Like, so easy as well, and just good. Like, just some feel-good comfort food to have. If you guys are going to go ahead and give this a try, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys do go ahead and try this, come back. Let us know if you enjoyed them just as much as I did. And if you enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.